Today we are very happy to show to selected journalists our new flagship, the new Actros L, Mercedes-Benz Actros L with the new ProCabin. With this truck, we show what's possible in terms of technology, and by developing this truck we focused actually on several key topics. One of the key topics is efficiency optimization of the truck. As you can see from the outside, we totally reshaped the truck and we put our focus on optimization of the aerodynamics. As you can see, we have very clear lines and good surfaces. We optimize the corners of the truck, and we also optimize the interface between the cab and the chassis. To make sure that the wind flows along the truck, we even put some additional ceilings in here to make sure that the wind seamlessly goes through the truck. With those optimizations, we managed to improve our fuel economy by 3% only by aerodynamics. Besides the energy optimization, the efficiency of the truck, we focused on the safety aspect. And I want to point out two big elements that we worked on. First of all, I want to show you our new headlamps. We are now introducing LED headlamps for all customers. And in addition, we offer matrix LED headlamps that optimize the illumination of the traffic situation for our driver, and by that adding to the safety of the truck and safe driving. In addition, we further improved our active safety systems in the truck. As you know, we always had been the front runners for safety systems in trucks overall. And with the new Actros L, we are introducing a new EE architecture in our truck. And we are introducing new sensors, and with that, improved and better functions. What you can see out here is the integration of our short-range radars. One is here, one is back here. And we have the same sensors on the other side of the vehicle in combination with the long-range radar that is integrated into the front of the vehicle and our high-density camera behind the windshield. We are able to further optimize our safety systems. And just to name a few of them, we have our Active Brake Assist 6 that has an even better performance than we had before. We have further optimized our Active Drive Assist, now generation 3. We have side guard assist on both sides of the vehicles and many more features that all lead to a safe driving of our trucks. With all those innovations, I think we put trucking to the next level, and very proud to introduce the new Actros L with the new ProCabin to our customers. Thank you.